This is Saturday, July 23rd, Pacific time. Let's dive into some chart analysis. This is a 3-year weekly, and on a weekly basis, it is still in a downtrend. But this week actually broke out a consolidation range and closed above that support area of 39, let's say around 39.15. So we'll keep that into consideration that there is a breakout. Let's put some channels here on the weekly basis, and I like to get as many tops and as many bottoms when I draw my channels. So I'll try to take all the tops here, try to take all the bottoms here, and as you can see here, there was a small breakout. Let me zoom in if you guys can see that better. There was a small breakout here, and then with a big top in tail, it sold out to the bottom of this channel, again went to the top, sold to the bottom, small breakout, now hitting that top trend line of that channel. Let's go into daily. As I'm a swing trader, I would like to look at the daily also, and I'll go for a 1-year daily here, and I'm gonna take out extended hours, and daily looks pretty much similar, and there is a little bit difference in the daily. And keeping that channel there, let me draw another channel that looks like a bear channel here. So right there and right there, that looks like a bear channel information. And let's draw some trend lines here. And I'll zoom out so that we can draw some trend lines here, and I'll just take from that top, and you can see that to be a bear flag. If I take this channel out, maybe it will be a little bit more clear. Now you can see that looks like a bear flag. So keeping that into mind and going into next week, what kind of trading will I do? To give you a brief background of last week's trade, I was long and I covered at this fill of the gap, which was here. That was around 40.15 or 40.18, something like that. So something here, and I covered at 40.10, and I take usually profits on level to level basis. So my first profit was 39.80, and then 40.10 was my next profit. And in the hourly, let's go to the hourly here. And I'll clean up again everything and redraw. So that was resistance as expected, the level which is still holding. That would be, it broke out from here, it gapped down from here. This was the first touch from the bottom, and it sold off. So there was obviously some big sell orders here. I'll also consider as 40.10 to 40.25 another big resistance. Consider short there also. But looking at this range here, let's draw the immediate support, which is right around here, somewhere here. So 39.31. So this is the range that we are seeing now. Anything below 39.31, if it breaks, which is highly possible, I will take a short on confirmation, I'll also try a short at uh, 4000 or 4010 to 4020. Uh, so I'll consider both of them as short. I'll refrain myself from trading in this range because going into next week, we have FOMC on Wednesday, and usually prior to FOMC, it becomes very, very choppy. So, as I try to hold for multiple days, I would refrain myself getting into a trade if it is not at the bottom of this range or top of this range. So, I'll most probably either do few points in intraday trading or not trade at all. I'm still leaning towards a short, but the market closed towards the bottom. So I will change my perspective if there is a big topping tail out of this range from the top, then I would go long here. But I still prefer a short in this market because looking at the weekly trend, this was on the top of the weekly channel, and also this was a big resistance. So price action on cash open on Monday will give me a better idea. Going to trade small, going to keep my stop losses very, very tight into FOMC week. After FOMC announcement, I'll sit through it, let the market realize which way they want to go, and then take a trade. If there is a breakout above this level on the second touch from the top, I'll go long. Again, same thing applies. If there is a break, if there is a support, sorry, if there is a resistance at this level and it goes from this bottom, touches that, I'll again take a short there, but not before FOMC announcement. That's the weekly plan, and we will see how the market reacts and we'll trade accordingly. Keep your losses small and profit large. Thank you.